Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gradient background in Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I make gradient background. At first I have to select this shapes option. Now choose rectangle shape, square shape. Now resize this shape on your page. Now right click on this shape and click send to back. Now click this show or hide format and style option. Now you can see here are style. Now click this color fill. Now I choose a gradient fill. Now I find my gradient fill color. Now click OK. Now you can see I make gradient background in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.